funny gifts, biggest laughs from friends, family, and co-workers. The holidays are a perfect time to reflect on all the ways your family, friends, and co-workers have been your side in the past year. While sentimental gifts are an obvious way to express your love, funny gifts may make more sense for your relationship. If pranks, gags, and funny antics are the foundation of your relationship, then give the gift of laughter in any special time. Choose between presents that highlight your guy's penchant for dad jokes, punny gifts for your wine-loving best friend, ultra-trendy pop culture finds for the office and Golden Girls fans, and more. Luckily, these laugh until you cry ideas are wacky, weird, and totally wonderful. So today, the Gift for Guest DIY gift ideas will show the ideas of funny gifts, biggest laughs from friends, family, and co-workers, passive-aggressive notepad. This passive-aggressive memo pad lets you clearly but somewhat subtly address a range of behavioral failures in others, including poor attitude and lackluster hygiene. Great for communication between roommates and frenemies. Fake belly fanny pack. Join the present two greatest patterns, fanny packs and flabby guts, with this furry-looking belt sack. Best of all, with this blessing, the person in your life won't really need to grow a girth to get the body of his, your fantasies. Workout dish towel. Here's an exercise everybody, wine sweethearts, particularly, can get behind. Give your Pinot adoring buddy a decent chuckle with this enlivening kitchen towel, public toilet survival kit. Nothing analyzes to the repulsiveness of venturing into a public restroom. This simple to convey pack, total with a latrine seat cover, sterile wipe, and dispensable gloves, has all they require to make their experience as lovely as could reasonably be expected. This was purchased as a gag gift for one of my best buddies. He is indescribably concerned with things being neat and clean. It turns out, he took it as quite the thoughtful gift and put it in the glove box of his car for safekeeping, right next to his emergency tourniquet and first aid kits. On one fateful evening, my friend, whom we'll call Ted, was on a date with a woman, whom we'll call Erin. Ted and Erin had been dating for several months, and had taken a weekend trip to northern Utah for some skiing. While on the drive back from their weekend trip, both of them were feeling the butterflies and the rest of that romantic nonsense. On the drive down the mountain, my friend began to feel the all-too-familiar rumble of dear old Uncle Diarrhea within his nethers. Not wanting to break the bowel barrier with his date, he asked if she would like to take a rest stop at a nearby gas station, which she agreed to. The office jigsaw puzzle. We can't put a finger on it, however there's something out and out silly about The Office, Michael Scott's jokes, Jim and Dwight's trick war, every last bit of it. This 500-piece puzzle commends the show's diversion in the most ideal manner conceivable. This puzzle is super fun for fans of The Office. It features some memorable moments and lines from the show. It was easy and quick to put together. Affirmators. No messy rubbish here. These 50 attestation cards incline toward humor rather than self-improvement prosaisms, which make them an easy decision for any individual who needs a mindset lift. The authentic Mouthguard party game. At the point when they stick these plastic mouthwatches in their mouth, basic expressions like warm hamburger meatballs will seem like anything besides that. 10 players can participate on the fun at some random time, making it a staple at their family's next game evening.
Please subscribe, please like. Thank you for watching.